Welsh for praise, and it's often said that if you want to change something about an organisation, then the best thing is to praise the things you like about it. And that's exactly why we're here tonight, to celebrate excellence in marketing in Wales.
So we turned up 10 minutes late to meet the Future King. I was pretty stressed, day 3 in the job, and what a relief to be greeted in Welsh by somebody you went to school with saying "Parabexo, ma fe'n iawn." And I turn and see the smiling, sweet face of Manon Williams, who just diffused all the tension in me, only to have Boris say, "Jesus Christ, I expect to see someone I've been to school with at the Royal Palace, but not somebody you've been to school with."
And the first winner tonight is Royvon Dog Boarding and Training Kennels.
We're so delighted to win a Canmol award tonight, especially in the centenary year, and a small company, and we're so proud, and our team will be tomorrow.
And the winner is Staedtler UK Limited.
I think the Canmol Award is a fantastic PR tool for us, both again within our trade to talk about the success of our campaign, and also with our consumer group to talk about the success of a Welsh company within the industry.
And the winner is Autos on Show TV.
To have won a Canmol Award is such a fantastic accolade for our business. We're so happy. The campaign will actually be moving to the US next month. We'll be launching the product in 4 states. So we'll be replicating similar activity to what we've done in the UK in America. So it's a really exciting time for AutosOnShow.tv.
And the winner is Croeso Cymru Wales.
It feels great to have won a Canmol Award tonight because I think it recognises the hard work that we've done on the Ryder Cup campaign for the last 3 years leading up to the Ryder Cup. The 3 elements that we really wanted to work on was to make Wales a great place for visitors to the event, for the global TV audience who were watching it, and also to make the people of Wales proud that the Ryder Cup came to Wales in 2010.
Our enillydd yw, and the winner is BBC Cymru Wales.
It's a good feeling, obviously, to get the recognition, and it's a credit to everybody who works in BBC Wales. We've learned loads of new ways of working together as different teams across BBC Wales. We've got a really big campaign coming up in the new year called The Story of Wales, which looks back at our history as a nation and all the defining moments. So hopefully we'll be able to build a multi-platform campaign that reaches all areas of our audiences.
The award of Glamorgan Business School Marketing Subject Group New Marketer of the Year Award goes to Jade Bourke of DS Smith Recycling.
I'm delighted to receive the award. It's been a great few years at DS Smith Recycling, and after being appointed to the board of the Chartered Institute of Marketing for Wales this year, it's just topped off the year for me.
The winner of the Wales Business Insider CIM Outstanding Achievement Award is Sue Cole of Newport Business.
The main highlight of my career has been over time seeing students that I've known for a couple of years, for example, coming in, starting off with a certificate in marketing or an undergraduate programme, progressing through, and then maybe a few years later writing to me and saying, I've got my PhD, I've got a new job. So it's that sort of progression really. For me, marketing and education is all about giving people opportunities and opening doors.
A great marketer is somebody that I think they're pretty unique. Really, because I think they are innovative, they're entrepreneurial, they're very creative. The great thing about a career in marketing and professional marketing is that actually we never know what's going to happen next. We just have to be able to recognise that opportunity and do something about it. So I don't know what we're going to find next year. I'm not quite sure what the entries will be, but I know one thing: they will be exciting, they will be, you know, quite brilliant, and they will be excellent, and critically, they will be aspirational for marketers and companies with a marketing ethos here in Wales.